How to turn on the double pinch feature on your Galaxy Watch 8. So I'll show you where to go to find this and how to make changes to the settings. And just for demonstration purposes, I'll keep this on my wrist here and let's go ahead and do it. Whether you want to turn this feature on or just simply try it out, go ahead and swipe down from the very top on your Galaxy Watch 8 and tap on the settings right here, this one here. Now, once you do that here, of course, assuming that this works for me, sometimes there's a delay. Once you do this here, you will go down and you're gonna look for the buttons and gestures, this one right there, okay? And as you enter here, you're gonna see a whole bunch of button features, pressing and all that whatnot. So you're gonna look for the gestures area, and the first one should be the double pinch. This at default is turned off, so you wanna actually go into it by tapping on the words. You can turn it on from here and go down the list until you can make changes of the actions. So you have the one for the watch face, that's when you're currently watching your clock or the time on your off screen and your time comes on here. You can make changes to these right here. So you can actually have view the next tile or the next notification. So that would just be for the watch face. Also, while you have your music or media controller enabled here, doing the double pinch will allow you to either play pause or the next track. All right, so you can make changes to those settings as well. Now the next one is the alarm alerts. So this here will allow you to either dismiss them or snooze them with the double pinch. You got your calendar and reminder alerts. Now it's going to show you here how this works, and you can try this out yourself to see if it works or not. And if your vibration settings is enabled, once you do this here like this, it's a double pinch rhythm, like a 1-2, you will feel your watch vibrate, like a short vibrate, and that'll let you know that you're actually doing it correctly. So 1-2, and you'll feel like a short vibrate down your wrist, and that means you are actually doing the double pinch correctly, okay? So now I want to quickly show you. So basically double pinch, and you'll notice this will switch to the next tile. So here we go. And once you do it correctly, you'll notice this is going to show up here like that. So it's a pretty neat feature, and tell me in the comment section if it works for you. Like and sub.